Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my course, Using HttpClient to Consume APIs in .NET. I'm a Microsoft MVP and freelance solution architect, currently focused on APIs and security. In this course, we're going to learn how to integrate with an API from a .NET application. Some of the major topics that we will cover include creating, reading, updating and deleting resources, improving memory use and performance by working with streams and compression, using HTTP Client Factory for HTTP Client instance management, and writing custom HTTP message handlers. By the end of this course, you will have extensive knowledge on how to integrate with any API from a .NET application. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to integrate with an API with the Using HTTpClient to Consume APIs in .NET course at Pluralsight.